What is going on? It has been, or at least it feels like it's been a while. Oh wait, it has been a while. Sorry about that. I'm not gonna lie. Doing this for a living and then coming home and doing videos on software development is tough. I'm not going to lie, but I'm still gonna chug through it, even though if it takes me one video a month, we're gonna get through it. And for some reason, uh, in the span of off time on this channel, I've created 2 additional channels. I don't know why exactly. One has to do with finance and money stuff, and the other is just kind of like a vlog channel, if you will, cars related stuff. I don't know. I just did it. I created it, but if you guys want to check it out, there'll be links down in the description, as always. But today, we're finally going to get around to merge sort, written in Python. Yes, the easy language. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it without wasting any more of your time. Here we are inside of JetBrains PyCharm, and oh man, I forgot. You can see this from like 30,000 miles away. Remember that car that Elon Musk sent out to space? You know, Rocket Man. He could probably see this right now, but hopefully you guys can see this on the screens. I know on YouTube it's a lot smaller than what it looks like. Maybe. I mean, if you blow it up, big screen, whatever. All right, let's jump into it because I'm just gonna go on a ramble there, which we don't want to do. We just want to jump right into Python because it's super easy to write, super quick to get up and going. As you can see, I already have stuff on the screen. This is to help speed up the process. If you've seen my videos before, I do apologize because you know the rundown, but for the new viewers, this is how we do it. We write out the utilities first because I don't want to bore you with that. I probably already bore you enough with my videos and voice, but I digress. All right, let's jump into here. We got some variables, file 1 for some 10,000 numbers and 10 numbers. First, we're going to start with file, as you can see here. So we have a numbers array, a temp array, or a list. Then we pass it to a read file. We pass in the file, which is that, and the numbers array. And then we go up here. We read everything right into our list. We just read the lines right out of the file. We close the file. Then we return. Then we have to fill this temp array. Otherwise, we'll get a bunch of errors saying nothing's initialized, and that doesn't exist. So this little utility function just takes the temp array, just takes the size of this array, and fills everything up with zeros. Then we print out the numbers to see what it's like before we do the merge sort, which passes the numbers temp. Starting at the index 0, the length of the numbers array -1, because that would be 10, and that would be too many. And then we print the numbers again. So let's go ahead and write this merge sort function out, which pretty easy because def merge sort here, and then we have our numbers. If I can spell correctly, numbers temp, we have our left and we have our right. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and go mid is equal to 0. I'll just go ahead and initialize that. I mean, you probably don't need to, but I'll just do it anyways. If don't need parentheses because that doesn't exist in this language. Right is less than left, we go ahead and jump inside this if block is equal to math.floor, and then we say right plus a left divided by 2, merge sort, and then we got the numbers temp left, then mid, and then we go ahead and jump right down here. Not merge or sort, what am I doing? Merge sort numbers temp mid +1 right, and then we go ahead and just merge it all together with the numbers temp left mid +1 and right. As you can see, that doesn't exist yet, and we have to import this library. So import math. So Now we have to go and write out merge. Just put it right above this. No big deal. Because eventually we will want to create objects, make things easier in life. But out of the scope for this video, so we have our left, mid, and right. Jump inside of that. So left end is equal to mid -1. Then we have our temp position is equal to left. And then we have our size. Come on, there we go. Is equal to right minus left +1. And this is the fun part. While left is less than or equal to the left end, and mid is less than or equal to the right, we say if numbers left is less than or equal to numbers mid, temp at the temp position is equal to numbers at the left position. Then we just go ahead and increment temp position, left position, and then now we go else. Temp position is equal to numbers at the mid position. Then we say temp position +1, and then we go mid +=1. You might be thinking this looks oddly familiar to Node, because it almost looks the same, if not close to English. If you're also sitting there confused on what's going on, I have created a video prior to starting these couple videos on merge sort, about how merge sort works. So if you want to go check that out, I'll put the little annotation at the top of the video so you can check that out. But let's move on to our next while loop. So left is equal to the left end, and then temp position, again, a lot of temp positions here, is equal to numbers left left +=1, temp position. Oh, nope, sorry. That would be temp position +=1. And then another while loop. So while mid is less than or equal to right, temp position again, or temp at temp position again, is equal to numbers at the mid position this time. And then temp position, come on now, there we go. Position +=1, mid +=1. We jump down here. So, you know, Python is a little finicky with spaces. For I in range 0 to the size, we say numbers right is equal to temp at the right position. And then we just simply decrease right. Now, I have no idea if this is going to work. We're going to find out. It should theoretically work. We have all of our, except for that, it'd help if there was an S on the end of that. But yeah, let's run it and see what we get. Oh, look at that. Right on the first try. Boom. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. And you want to do the 10,000 numbers just for the hell of it? Let's do it. Let's read file. Let's just change that to a 1. Let's run it. Oh man, look at this. 3, 5 all the way up. I'm not going to read through 10,000 numbers, but you can see it looks right. because above it is completely randomized. There we go, 10,000 numbers. There you have it. There's merge sort in Python. Not bad, right? Not bad, not bad. Because it's Python. Gotta love Python. Super easy, quick, simple, boom, off and running. So there you have it. There's merge sort. That does it for at least with these couple of languages. Merge sort is completed. We could circle back and maybe do other languages as well. I'm not sure yet. Don't want to get ahead of myself. I feel like I'm doing way too much, but I love it. I love doing the videos. I just got to find the time to do them all. So as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure hit the thumbs up button because I greatly appreciate it. The YouTube algorithm appreciates it. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe because we got more videos that I have no idea what I'm going to cover, but I'm going to do them I'm going to figure them out anyway. As always, thank you for tuning in. It's good to see you again. Deuces.